Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Chloe sunglasses model CC0006S in color code 001. On the glasses are protective bags to keep them from getting scratched or damaged. The color of the frame is gold, and these glasses are a round shape.
It tells me you have to use one special character, whether it be like an exclamation point, whatever it is, I'm using what they're telling me to.
The lenses are also gradient and are mirrored. You'll also find an engraved heart on its lens. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Chloe logo, the serial number, and on its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is CC0006S, the color code, which is 001, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Chloe pink case, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. A Chloe pink cleaning cloth, and a Chloe envelope, which holds authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.